the invocation.
We thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
You can sit down. Presiding for this morning's activity is the back chairperson himself, Engineer Neil L. Macaraig. Good morning, sir.
Morning, everyone. This meeting is now called to order. Back Secretariat kindly confirm if we have a quorum.
The existence of a quorum is hereby confirmed, and in this regard, may I request the body to acknowledge the presence of the following. The Vice Chairperson of the Bids and Awards Committee, Engineer Benedicto M. Cabral. Good morning, sir. Good morning. The members of the Bids and Awards Committee, the regular members, Engineer Benedict J. Sagon. Good morning, sir. Ms. Sofia M. Batilara. Good morning, ma'am. The end user and provisional member, Ms. Mayra P. Soriano. Good morning, ma'am. Members of the technical working group headed by its head, Ms. Alfidelia Esperlado. Good morning, ma'am. The assistant head, Ms. Rochelle Ann B. Palapal. Good morning, ma'am. Members of the TWG who are in attendance is Mr. Paul Clen Erico Bitampuk. Good morning, sir. Ms. Gia Piches L. Galvan. Good morning, ma'am. Mr. Andrew Panganiban. And Mr. Adrian Patrick G. Andal. That's all for the attendance, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Back Secretariat. With quorum duly established, kindly state the order of business.
The order of business, Mr. Chair, is the opening of bids for the lease of one-lot various printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under NPO BACPAL 009-26 with an approved budget for the contract amounting 219 million pesos. In this connection, Mr. Chair, may I request that the body acknowledge the presence of our prospective bidders from Nova Business Systems Incorporated, Mr. Mark Sandico. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And Ms. Leah Mangalindan. Good morning, ma'am. We'll now go to the presentation of the general rules. for
Proceed.
this-
General Rules. During the conference, all participants are expected to follow the general rules to ensure an orderly proceeding. Participants are requested to arrive on time. Bidders' authorized representatives who are physically present at the venue shall register and sign the official attendance sheet, while those participating through online platforms must indicate in the chat box their company name, company address, authorized representatives, email, and contact numbers. Proper meeting decorum must be observed at all times. Participants are required to keep their mobile phones on silent mode, observe courtesy and professionalism, and raise their hand if they wish to speak, waiting to be recognized by the presiding officer before doing so. All questions should be relevant to the subject matter being discussed, and unauthorized recording of the proceedings is strictly prohibited. Failure to comply with these rules may result in consequences, including a warning for minor violations or removal from the conference in cases of serious or repeated violations.
Mr. Chair, in adherence to the requirements of Republic Act 12009, particularly on the provisions of transparency, I would like to inform the body that notification to the following observers were sent on April 15, 2026 to Ms. Clarice Ipalitic, the State Auditor 3 and Audit Team Leader of the Office of the Resident Commission on Audit, Auditor of NPO, to the Manager of Canteen Operations of the National Printing Office Multipurpose Cooperative on even day, the President of the National Printing Office Workers Association on the same day, the Office of the Executive Director of the Philippine Business for Social Progress, again on April 15, 2026, and finally, Mr. Chair, to the Office of the Secretary General of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry on the same date, April 15, 2026. Would like to state now the bids received, Mr. Chair, with your permission.
Proceed.
Two bidders purchased bidding documents. However, only one submitted, and this is at 11:32 a.m. on yesterday, May 4, 2026, and that is Nova Business Systems. In this regard, we are now prepared for the presentation or opening of bid envelopes, Mr. Chair, and may I request that the body recognized Ms. Ira Chantel Hilaus and Mr. King Kaluwag as presenters.
Ma'am Ira Ilaus and Mr. Kaluwag are now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Again, good morning, everyone. This is Ira from BAC Secretariat, and we're here to present the mother envelope received from Nova Business Systems Incorporated. We received mother envelope properly marked, signed, and sealed. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the mother envelope? Inside the mother envelope, we received technical and financial component envelope, both properly marked, signed, and sealed. We shall then turn over the financial component envelope to the BAC chairman until such time the bidder is eligible for the opening of the financial envelope. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the technical envelope? Thank you po. First requirement submitted by the bidder is their valid and updated PhilTrip Certificate of Registration, Platinum Membership, issued on April 20, 2026, and valid until April 20, 2027. With Annex A, SEC Certificate Registration Date, July 9, 1987, Mayor's Permit Expiration Date, December 31, 2026, Tax Clearance Expiration Date, March 19, 2027, Audited Financial Statement Date of Filing, April 22, 2026, Pickup License not applicable. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their original and duly signed statement of single largest completed contract under National Printing Office, date of contract May 18, 2023, kind of goods, lease of one lot various machines with provision of technical support and services, including consumables, amount of contract 119,600,000, date of delivery June 23 to March 2024, with attachment certificate of acceptance with satisfactory rating, duly signed by Mr. Mark Stephen Ryan P. Sandico. Showing you the certification of completion and acceptance with satisfactorily rating. Also, the notice to execute framework agreement for the said project. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their computation of their net financial contracting capacity. Total NFCC 290,883,877 pesos and 21 centavos, duly signed by Mr. Mark Stephen Ryan P. Sandico. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. They submitted one contract under the government and 9 under private, with total outstanding amount of 33,472,705 pesos and 4 centavos. Again, duly signed by Mr. Mark Stephen Ryan P. Sandico. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their bid securing declaration. Duly signed again by Mr. Mark Stephen Ryan P. Sandico, dated April 29, 2026, and notarized by Attorney Brian Peras, with MCLE number 8. Next requirement is the conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6, Section 7, and Supplemental Bid Bulletin, if any. Also, their compliance on Section 7 technical specifications. And with the attached supplemental bid bulletin dated April 28, 2026. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is the omnibus sworn statement. Again, duly signed by Mr. Mark Stephen Ryan P. Sandico, dated April 29, 2026, by the same notary public. Next requirement is the notarized secretary certificate authorizing Mr. Rosilio Quial, Lea D. Mangalindan, Mr. Mark Stephen Ryan P. Sandico as the authorized representative, and duly signed by the corporate secretary, Rolando A. Sandico, dated April 29, 2026, by the same notary public. Mr. Chair, that concludes the presentation of the technical component envelope of the bidder.
Thank you, Ma'am Ira, TWG, for the observation and recommendation.
Mr. Chair, upon a discretionary pass or fail examination of the required documents within the technical component envelope, specifically the valid and updated PhilJEP Certificate of Registration, Platinum Membership, including Annex A, original and duly signed statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract with attached certificate of acceptance with satisfactory rating, the bidder's original and duly signed computation of net financial contracting capacity, the bidder's original and duly signed statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, original copy of duly notarized bid securing declaration, conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6 and 7 of the bidding documents and supplemental bid bulletin, original duly signed and notarized omnibus sworn statement, an original notarized secretary certificate submitted by Nova Business Systems Incorporated. The TWG finds the submission to be complete. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends that the committee proceed with the opening of its financial component envelope.
The recommendation of the TWG is now before the body. Any motion from the members of the body?
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the Technical Working Group, Mr. Chair.
An objection? Hearing none, please proceed to the opening of the financial component envelope.
Mr. Chair, the bidder submitted four pages financial component envelope, all properly marked and signed. The bidder submitted their bid offer amounting to 218,400,000 pesos.
18, 400,000.
Showing you also the price schedule, same as the amount offered, 218,400,000 pesos. Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation for the financial component envelope.
Thank you, Ma'am Ira. TWG.
Upon examination of the required contents of the financial component envelope submitted by Nova Business Systems Incorporated, specifically the original and duly signed accomplished financial bid form and original and duly signed accomplished price schedule, as prescribed under the IRR of RA 12009, Rule 8, Section 52, the TWG finds the submission complete and compliant with the requirements. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends the formal acceptance of the financial proposal and further recommends that the bid be considered for bid evaluation to determine its calculated price.
The TWG's recommendation is now before the body. Any motion from the members of the body?
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the Technical Working Group, Mr. Chair.
No objection? Hearing none, the recommendation hereby adopted. For TWG, please conduct the bid evaluation. Okay. Before we suspend our have a break, let me thank the authorized bidder, sir, for attending this activity, and you are now excused. Thank you. Okay, 5 minutes break. Favorite ko to eh. resume kasi marami pa tayong i-discuss. Okay. We'll present, Sir... Mr. Andal. Okay. Okay, please proceed, Mr. Andal.
Everyone. The Technical Working Group of the Bids and Awards Committee would like to present the bid evaluation report for the project Lease of One Lot Various Printing Machines, including supply and delivery of consumables, with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under identification number NPO-BAC-FAL-009-26. Conclusion and recommendation. Based on the result of the bid evaluation as presented in this report, the bid submitted by Nova Business System Incorporated in the amount of 218,400,000 pesos for the project Lease of One Lot Various Printing Machines, including supply and delivery of consumables, with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement with identification number NPO-BAC-FAL-009-26, was found to be mathematically correct, with the total bid as read being consistent with the total calculated bid. In accordance with Republic Act number 12009 and its implementing rules and regulations, the Technical Working Group hereby recommends that Nova Business System Incorporated be declared as the single calculated bid and that its bid be subjected to post-qualification for the purpose of verifying, validating, and ascertaining the truthfulness, authenticity, and sufficiency of all documents submitted in support of its bid. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Andal. The TWG recommends that Nova Business System Incorporation be declared as single calculated bid and its bid be subjected to post-qualification. Any motion from the members of the BAC?
Mr. Chair, I move to adopt the recommendation of the TWG.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. Please take note, BAC Secretariat, of the recommendation and prepare the necessary communication to address to the company, Nova Business Incorporation, to submit the required post-qualification documents.
Duly noted, Mr. Chair.
Let's now proceed to the discussion of other matters.